All right, special thanks to this company who were nice enough to send me their head torch. This is essentially an LED lamp for your head, so you're able to see when you're trying to do some kind of work on your car or something like that. This has 4 modes. The battery type is 3 AA batteries, so it's not rechargeable, and it has LED bulbs with a waterproofing grade of IPX5. Now, not much information else around the box. Head torch is suitable for jogging, cycling, camping. Avoid using the headlamp while charging. Well, it says it's 3 AA bat. Well, let's see if I'm confused now on whether it's rechargeable or not. And then here's some of the adventures you could have with it. The model is the V1001. Thanks to the company again. Let's open this up. And are these rechargeable? I'm so confused here. Got a little manual here right on top. And it looks like there's 2 in here. We got 3 batteries, and then a headlamp and a headlamp. And that's it for the box. So we can take these out. Very nice and stretchy band. That would go on very easy. I love their logo being all the way around it. That's very cool to me. This is actually tiltable, as you can see. And I guess if you pull up right here, it probably pops. Yep, that's how your batteries go into it. So you take your 3 batteries here and pop these in. And then we can close it, and then you're able to hit your button on top. And so you've got a nice spotlight, and then you can hit it again. It makes it just a little bit dimmer. And then you've got the red light. That's good for jogging and bicycling and stuff. And then the flashing red light and off. So that's the 4 modes. This one's definitely much brighter than this one. And then of course the red lights for jogging. So they're completely identical. This one is the same, as you can tell. It's a 2-pack of them. So 1 for you, 1 for your wife. But that should essentially do it for this headlamp unboxing. Again, special thanks to this company for sending it to me. And thank you guys for watching. We'll see you in the next one. Deuces.